What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all the subscribers. I'm up to, I think, almost 700. I appreciate all that. Don't forget, once I'm at 1,000, Turbo John will be giving away a free t-shirt. So go back to a few videos ago for his, like it, comment that you subbed to mine, get it in to get a free t-shirt from him. I have some giveaways that I have in mind for later on once I get a decent following. I have a few parts that I'm not going to need because I was fortunate enough to get some parts at a good deal. So I'm not going to need the parts that I had purchased before. So I'm probably going to give away a few parts later on. But sorry I haven't had a video out in about a week or so. The last one I done, I was cutting out for this. I did end up using my little crappy Chicago Harbor Freight welder to tack that in. I don't like it, so I didn't do too many tacks on it, and I did end up cutting out the other side that same day that I was filming the video for this side. I just didn't film any of it. I had a bunch of comments saying they like to see the filming of all that cutting out and stuff, so whenever I'm cutting all those inside supports and stuff out of the right side fender well, I will film for y'all. Big thing that's been holding me up on doing anything has really been, I started back in the gym finally. I'm gonna try to lose about 40 pounds. So y'all encourage me. I encourage y'all to go to the gym, lose some weight if you need to, gain some muscle if you need to. But I used to be a big gym junkie, and I got out of the gym, kind of gained a bunch of weight that I'm not too proud of, but I'm back in the gym now. So every evening whenever I get off work, I go to the gym, and by the time I get home, it's dark, and it's been about 30 degrees outside, so it's been kind of rough trying to get out here. I did get a heater for out here. This wall on my carport, I was planning on enclosing over the next year or so, but I think I'm going to go ahead and enclose that side of the wall, and then I won't get a door for it for a while, so I'll probably just get a canvas to put across the front to keep some heat in here so I can work out here more for y'all. I did finally make an extension cord for my welder so I could plug it into where my dryer is. I was going to wire in a plug out here, but it was going to be a lot more work for me, and my dryer is literally right through that door right there. So I got a 25-foot piece of 6-gauge wire, got the plugs I needed, and made myself one. I might make a video on that. That'd be a decent video to make on building one of them extension cords for your welder if you're like me and have a dryer plug that's decently close. I also purchased my argon for my welder, and I got new filler wire for my welder. So my welder is now ready to go finally. So I'll finally continue on the lower torque boxes, the upper and lower torque boxes. I'll finally be able to get those in. I'll finally be able to tack these tubs in really well, get the metal to put the filler piece in for these tubs, get this filler piece here, and you'll be able to get that started tacking in to where I can get those fully welded to where I can finally get on the rear end, get all the stuff cut off of it, and get it up under here and get it all mocked up to where all the brackets need to be. Tell me what y'all think. I do plan on later shortening that rear end. I'm not going to do it now because I already have axles for it, but once I break an axle, I do want to shorten that rear end and go 5-lug. So yeah, I don't even know why I'm asking y'all. I'm going to go ahead and whenever I put all the brackets on there for like the lower control arms and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and space them in to allow for me to shorten that thing. I'll probably shorten it like 2 inches on each side later on, but I'm not going to do it right now. So yeah, that's really what we got going on. I think I found a front tube kit that I'm going to go with if I don't end up buying a tube bender and stuff, and to where I can do it all myself, because I've been thinking about that also. I'd like to have the tools. I like having different tools, so I've been wanting to buy a tube bender to where I can do it all myself. But then again, it's easy just to purchase the one. I was at B&K Performance, Brian Fondren's shop, where Turbo John's working out of. I was there helping him the other night, and I was looking at a certain front end kit that's decently priced. They're all within about $100 of each other, and they all pretty much look the same. But this kit, I think it's called Codion. I liked it. It's about $400, I think. I'm gonna reach out to him and see exactly what it would cost to get one shipped to me. But yeah, that's really what I got going on. Sorry, I'm not working in this video. I'm not doing anything. I just really wanted to get some content out to y'all, let y'all know what's up, what's going on. What else? Christmas is coming up. What is that, 9 days away? So if I'll make some videos before then, but Merry Christmas to y'all coming up. Hope everyone has a good one. Christmas is actually my birthday. I'm turning another year older. I'm starting to feel it. Some people think I'm real old. Some people think I'm real young. I'm right in the middle. But yeah, hopefully I think my wife's getting me some parts. My wife and my in-laws, they usually get me car parts and stuff, or tools. So hopefully I'll have some more parts to show y'all coming up. I think that about does it. I'm trying to do this all in one take. I'm doing pretty good so far. Yeah, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all'd like to see in the future. I'll try to make it happen. I can't do a lot of extravagant stuff. I do have a day job. I don't really make a whole lot of money, but I try to do the most with what I can. Comment what y'all'd like to see me do with the car. Where y'all would like to see it progress to. I was making it a dedicated race car, like y'all know, but now it is going to be an all glass, all steel street car for a while, and then most likely it's going to progress into a race car. But I am going to keep it all glass, all steel, streetable. I've always wanted a 1,000 horsepower street car, so that's what I'm going to make this thing set up for the no prep world, because that's probably where I'll be competitive. I would like to put it on radials, but I'm not going to be. The small block boost class is just ridiculously fast. They did just make an all glass, all steel class, all glass, all steel class in the Carolina No Time. So I might. There's a lot of fast cars in that class too already, but we'll see what we can do. But like always, comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.